Welcome to ZKTeco India official YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain about IN02-A device. This device we mainly use for the attendance purpose as well as the access purpose. It comes with a 10,000 user capacity. You can see inside the device capacity. User capacity is 10,000. You can set the password for the verification for all the user, and fingerprint we can add up to 10,000 fingerprint. And a card also you can register up to 10,000, and this device is able to store the 1 lakh transaction capacity. So this is the capacity of the device, and this device requires 12-volt power supply to run the device, and it will comes with a optional battery backup. For the communication, it is having the TCP/IP. There backside you can see the TCP/IP port. You can connect here the TCP/IP, and if you want to connect any USB means it will support for the USB host and USB client also to take the data, and it supports the Wi-Fi also, but it is optional, and GPRS 3G and 4G model it supports, but that also the optional. And this device we can connect with the ZKTeco EM lock, exit button, Wiegand and RS485 reader for the access purpose. You can see here the device. It comes with a 3-inch of TFT color screen display and keypad, main menu. This is the back button as well as the power button, escape, and this is the navigational buttons, left, right, and upward and downward arrow. And you can see here the fingerprint sensor to read the fingerprint. Also it is hanging here the card sensor to read the card. This is the indicator light. It will turn to the green light when verification is successful, and when the verification is failure, then it will turn to the red light. Here you can see the USB ports, so you can take the data in the pen drive also, and if you are going for any cross cable through USB cable, you can connect it here. And also it will comes with a reset button. This is the reset button to do the device reset. Backside you can see this port is to connect the RS485 reader and Wiegand output, and here you can connect with the 12-volt power supply, and another port here we have provided here. If you are connecting this port means you have to connect with another connector, and if you are going for any Wiegand input means you have to go for this port, and if you are connecting any EM lock, exit button and all, this port is to connect the EM lock and exit button. And backside we have provided with one button. You can see this button is for the temper alarm. And inside the main menu I will show what all the options are there in the main menu. First option is user management, where we can add a user, we can delete and edit the user details. In the user role you can create multiple roles like enrollment purpose or any other things. We can restrict the operational menus by creating the user role. In the communication we can do the setting for the Ethernet and cloud server setting, and we can setup also, we can do the changes. In the system we can change the date and time, and attendance setting we can do, fingerprint setting, and we can also do the device reset here. In the personalize we can do the changes for the user interface, voice prompts, bell schedules, and punch set enabling option also we are having. Data management, here you can delete the data, and also you can take the data backup from the device and you can restore to the device. Access control option provided for the setting of access control, where you can create a time schedule, we can create access group, combined verification, anti-passback setup, everything you can do in the access control. So in the USB manager you can delete you can download the data, upload the data option is there. In the attendance search you have to enter the user ID of a particular employee. So after entering you can select a frequency from which time to which time you have to take the data, then the data will be visible. In the short message you can push the message to your users or employees, like personal message and public message. Work code, you can create a work code. When the employee will come and punch, he will be getting the work code option. He can select the work code. In auto test, you can test the device, whole device, whether like display is working properly or not, and keypad is working properly or not, and this fingerprint also we can test it here. And last option we are having is system info. Here we can get the device capacity, and we can also get the device info, where device name will come and serial number, MAC address, everything we will get it here. And in the information, here you can get the firmware information related to the device. So these are all the menus available in the IN02-A, and this device we can connect with the ZKTeco softwares like EasyTime Pro, EasyWDMS, Intelligent Time, and ZKTime.net softwares. This is all about the IN02-A device. Thank you.